Hey guys, welcome along CareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to show you one of our favorite trees in our landscaping. It's a Japanese maple, and when I come back I'll tell you the name and how big it gets and everything you need to know. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the Japanese maple I wanted to show you. This is one of our favorite ones that we have in the landscaping. And this is a perfect time, fall is the perfect time to see these really turn. This is called Oisami, okay? So it's gonna get about 12 to 15 feet tall, 5 to 8 feet wide. It's a great tree for small landscaping. It's not gonna be overwhelming. But the best thing about this is all of this color that you're going to see in the fall. Okay, you're going to get reds, you're going to get orange, you're going to get yellow, and it doesn't all happen at one time. Okay, they call this a full moon. So what it does, it goes through all these colors and it comes back to the green in the spring. Okay, so it's a beautiful tree, and I do recommend you having this in your landscaping because of all the color you get in the spring. And it's not an overwhelming tree. It's not hard to take care of. We've probably had this one 4 years. We bought it probably I guess we bought it in maybe a 10 gallon. So the trunks on it is really nice. It's getting big and it's growing and it loves this area. It's under a couple of oaks here. So, but like I said, we have some color up here. The sun comes in from that direction and it's just blasting it with color. Now we have a morning sun over here, so a lot of this is still a little green, but if you come in here, you'll see it start to turn a little color there. And you'll see right in here, you'll get that red, and then it goes kind of like an orangey color, and then you'll get the yellow. It's a really attractive tree, and you get so much color out of it. So I just wanted to show you this tree. I have other Japanese maples. I'll be showing you those as well as they start to turn color. But this is one of our favorites. So run out and get one, guys. You'll be ready for next fall. I hope you enjoy the video. So see you next time.